My name is Rachel and I'm one of the bereavement midwives here at UCL Hospital. I'm here today to discuss the difficult conversation as to what happens to your baby when you leave the hospital. Whilst you're in the hospital, you will have opportunities to spend time with your baby. That may include having things like a memory box, taking photographs, doing hand and footprints and giving your baby a name. Now when you leave the hospital, if you've opted for a post-mortem, your baby will be moved to the mortuary where they'll be looked after by the mortuary team. We know them very well. Now, if you've opted for a post-mortem, your baby will be transferred to Great Ormond Street for the examination. The length of time your baby stays there depends on which post-mortem examination you have opted for. Once that testing is finished, your baby will come back to us at UCL Hospital, where normally the bereavement midwife will contact you to discuss the next steps. The placenta, just to let you know, will stay with your baby throughout their journey. If you have any belongings that you would like added to the baby, they can stay with your baby and we will keep them in the mortuary whilst your baby is having the examination just to make sure they're kept safe. They will be returned to your baby afterwards. If you would like any update at any time of this process, please contact your bereavement midwife.
Here at Great Ormond Street Hospital, we have different post-mortem options. We carry out a wide range of imaging such as X-ray, ultrasound, CT, and MRI, and we used varied examination techniques depending on the clinical history that we have. A complete post-mortem report can take up to 12 weeks, as some of the tests that we undertake as part of our post-mortem is quite complex and it takes time for the results to be reported.
Your baby will be sent to us for a post-mortem examination that will be carried out by a specialist paediatric pathologist. Myself and my team are specially paediatric trained to look after your child whilst they're in our care in Great Ormond Street Mortuary. Your child will be cared for at all times with great dignity and respect throughout the post-mortem examination, where we will wash your child, replace their nappies, give them clean clothing, and also look after their keepsakes at all times. We understand about the post-mortem examination and that it's your choice, and also that changes may occur throughout the examination with regards to your baby's appearance and how they may look when they are returned back to you after the examination. We endeavour to look after your child with great care and dignity and to ensure that you are able to see them after the examination also.
Having a post-mortem is your choice and it may or may not answer all your questions. However, even if a post-mortem does not provide a cause of death, it may still provide some very useful information.